Welcome, welcome, welcome. So glad you could be here with me today. So, today I'm going to be showing you guys a video of me doing my toes on YouTube for the first time. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Y'all, so it's been a minute at this point. As you can tell, it's been 8 whole weeks since I've done my toes, and a lot of things have happened to my feet since then. It was a trying time. If you don't know, my name is Drea, and I have two young children, two boys, a husband, two dogs, and I do nails. So I don't get a lot of time to do my toes specifically. So it's been a while. This is usually what happens. It usually takes me about like 2 months to get back to doing my own toes. But we're back at it with a summer set, which is really great because by the time I do my toes again, summer's probably gonna be over. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just doing some quick prep, y'all. I also had to do my toes because I went to a retreat last weekend and it was really, really great. It was a Christian retreat with some Christian sisters of mine who just are so welcoming and so amazing, y'all. I had such an amazing time drawing near to the Lord, who, when you draw near to Him, He draws near to you. Oh my goodness, I had such a great, amazing time. I feel extremely blessed to be able to experience something like that. But I'll tell you guys more about the retreat in a little bit. So, right now, I'm just doing some prep on my toes, y'all. Oh, when you do a dry pedicure, it really exposes you. Like, y'all, these cuticles were crying for dear life for help. I need a new cuticle nipper at this point too, because I don't know if my cuticles were that in need and desperate, like of desperate help, or my cuticle nipper is just capping out on me. But it might be both, cause y'all see these cuticles. Anywho, no shame. But y'all, this is literally the first time I realized it was the first time I was doing my toes for YouTube. I usually do other people's toes, hence why I also just never have time to do mine. I'm always doing somebody else's toes. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up the cuticle right now. Did a lot of prep work. It was really difficult to film this, y'all, because I had my foot up on top of my very high desk and I could barely like it was a struggle, y'all, but we got it done. I did most of the like bulk drilling off camera because my foot kept slipping while I was trying to do it on top of the um dust collector. So y'all, long story short, we got the prep work done. And yeah, this is where we are. So back to the retreat, y'all. I wanted to give you guys a little testimony. So when I was at the retreat, again, I had such an amazing time. So many things, like so many breakthroughs, y'all. I truly just had a one of a kind experience, and oh goodness, it was just so beautiful. So during the retreat, y'all, I barely touched my phone. I didn't check any social media. I honestly barely spoke to my husband and kids. I only spoke to them like a few times, maybe like 2 or 3 times during the entire weekend, just to check in and make sure everything was cool, and vice versa, let them know I'm good. Um, but I did not touch my phone, y'all. So that's big, right? Like just not being on your phone, not checking social media, not checking notifications. Obviously, we had like free time to do that stuff, but I just chose to like leave my phone in the like little cabin area, like in my suitcase, and I just didn't really bother with it. And y'all, what I'm about to say is not, just hear what I'm saying and not what you want to hear, okay? I The Lord just works, y'all. He just be working, y'all. So this is not prosperity gospel. I'm telling you that I drew near to the Lord and I gave him the time, the uninterrupted time of worship and praise and just complete adoration to him. And he just did something miraculous. And, I feel like it was a testimony worth sharing, and it might appeal to certain people more than others, but regardless, it's a testimony that I feel like sharing. So y'all, I didn't touch my phone all the way until Sunday when we were leaving the cabin after we cleaned up and everything. I just was just like, yo, I'm not gonna check my phone. Saturday night, I almost checked my phone, right? I was just like, it was like 2 o'clock in the morning. I was just like, yeah, I haven't checked anything in a while. So let me just, you know. So I was about to lay down and look into my phone, like whatever I was missing. And I was just like, you know what? I'm so full of gratitude and love right now. I don't even want to. So I had put my phone down, even though I thought I was going to scroll for a little while. I put my phone down and yeah, so didn't pick it back up until Sunday the next day when I was in the car leaving. And y'all, something amazing happened. So again, I didn't check any notifications off of any social media. And when I open YouTube, I see I have plus 400 subscribers. And I'm like, what is going on, y'all? Sorry, my lighting is changing and I rebuke it in the name of Jesus because nobody's touching anything, all right? Anywho, excuse me. So I check it and it's like plus 400 subscribers and I'm just like, what's going on? Like, this is kind of crazy, right? It's kind of wild. So I check like my notifications or whatever and I see that a video that I had posted a week prior was like doing very well. And I was just like, whoa, this is extremely unexpected because 7 days had already went by after posting it and it did okay, but it wasn't like the numbers that it did. And I give all the glory to God because I never experienced what I experienced at the retreat. And what I mean by that is I've never experienced just uninterrupted time with him. And it just showed me, even if the things that we don't know that we need, he knows the plans that he has for us, plans for good and not evil. And he knows that I've been trying to be more consistent on this platform, something that I've been wanting to do for quite some time, almost 4 years to be exact, when I started my YouTube prior. And it's just something that, honestly, now that I know what it is, the enemy has always gotten into my head telling me, maybe now's not the time, or maybe it's too late to start your YouTube channel, or, I don't think people really care for your content, stuff like that. And, I just gave him so much of my time and my spirit and my mind and my body that weekend. And I learned what real worship was, y'all. Just his presence is just, if you've never felt it, his presence is just amazing. So I say all of that to say, when you give the Lord time uninterrupted, which I know is difficult. Again, I just listed all of the things that I do on a daily basis. And a few that was missing, and it's not easy, but y'all, he just does so much for us without us even knowing. We don't know his plans, but his plans are way better than ours. His plans are perfect. So y'all, I just trust in him so much. And if you haven't already put your trust in him, then I would highly suggest, just give it a try. What do you have to lose? A lot, actually. Salvation is at stake. Okay, sorry. So I am at the nail art already. Okay, I hope you were watching. If you're still here, appreciate you. God bless you. So again, I just wanted a really summary style for this nail, and I also wanted it to be a little bit, I guess you could say, like abstract, because I didn't want the what would you call this, like the peel portion of the of the fruit, the little lemon fruit. I'm making pink lemonade, by the way. I know the inside of lemons are not pink, but this is what I'm doing. Okay, I love the little pink lemonade combo of the colors. Pink is my favorite color, and yellow is my sister's favorite color, and we used to call ourselves the Pink Lemonade Twins. So this is just it's kind of our vibe, So what was I saying before? Okay, so yeah, I didn't want to do it like, I didn't want the free edge, which is the tip of the nail. I didn't want the free edge to be just open, so I was just like, let me do it on a diagonal. I think it'll just give it a little bit of character, make it a little different, So yeah, that's what I decided, and this is how it's currently going. And I absolutely love how these nails came out. I think this would look so cute in like green for lines or oranges for orange, oranges for oranges. Anyways, y'all, I'm just cleaning up the nail right now, and I'm not gonna lie, doing your toes on camera is not easy, but it's extremely satisfying watching this back. A few things that I, would like to improve on, but that's neither here nor there. As I continue, I pray that the Lord gives me strength to continue to open my mind to the things that He's trying to open my mind to, especially when it comes to this YouTube thing, because it is not for the weak, y'all. YouTube is not for the weak, okay? Um, Anyways, I'm gonna let y'all watch because I've been talking a lot. So y'all, this is up close and personal with my toe. I'm just doing like a white outline to, distinguish the peel from the beginning of the fruit. And now we're just going to be doing the little inside, I don't know, of the membrane. I don't know if the membrane is what you call the little, like, what they look like, little squishy things. The pulp. Yeah, I think that's what you call it. Yeah, the pulp. Not the pulp, the pulp. So right now I'm just doing the little design to accentuate the lemon features. Y'all, this looks so cute on toes, and honestly, this might be my last toe set of the summer. Like the summer set. Definitely gonna have to start doing some fall sets soon. Y'all, let me know what color you would do if you would do these. I think even a combination of a couple of colors, different fruits, different fruit colors. I don't know. I would figure it out somehow. Okay, I'm just using some clear builder gel to do the little, like the little pulp membrane thingies. Y'all, I was flash curing for my life. So to get this done correctly and for them not to like bleed all over the nail, you kind of have to flash cure as you go. So y'all, it was a little tedious, but it came out really cute nonetheless, and I'm really happy with how it came out. So right now I'm just giving a little texture to the other nails. I think it still looked really cute without it, but I'm just like, why not? We're here, right? We're here. I had some extra builder gel on the little palette, so just decided to use it up. Don't need to waste it. Yes. It came out really cute regardless. Yes, thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, God bless you. And wow, they look really cute. Okay, let me know in the comments if you would do your toes like this. you know, trends come and go, and I was just like, I'm just gonna let them rock out. Okay, rock out on my toes. Anyways, God bless you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.